Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic communication fallout. Once upon a time, after a creation of a meeting was convened to discuss how best to accommodate the new creature human being. The meeting was attended by all the creatures that existed before the creation of humans. After a long deliberation, the council unanimously concluded that, unlike other creatures, human beings had limited capability of sustaining themselves. Therefore, the chair of meeting affirmed and declared thus: our newcomers are not capable enough to toil for their own food. They like to relax and love good-looking fellow beings. So they shall have only one meal a day, but wash their faces thrice. The ox, the messenger, was tasked with conveying the outcome of the meeting to human beings. However, the ox, in a stage of confusion, conveyed the message wrong. He told the humans, you humans are required to wash your face once. The humans faithfully followed the decision of anyone else. We still abide by what the ox conveyed, although at times it is difficult for us to make ends meet. Later, when it was known that the ox delivered the message wrongly, the council was upset about the blunder the ox had made. Their good intent to keep everyone in harmony was defeated due to the miscommunication by their messenger. The council met again, but the message already conveyed could not be revoked. Therefore, since the ox was responsible for the wrong message, the council decided that the ox shall now help the humans plow their fields in order to meet the two-thirds of their food demand. The ox was left with no choice but to accept the council's
command and left the hall after handing over his duties to the pig, as decided by the council.
Seeing the ox walking away with a heavy heart, the council felt that it was quite unfortunate for the ox. They reconsidered their decision, but there was nothing they could do to revoke their decision. At long last, they decided that the ox shall be given such power, so that he need not carry a heavy yoke and suffer the pain of the farmer's whip. He could dig and plough fields with his arms. Now it was the duty of the pig to convey the message of the council to the ox and deliver the special power. This time the council was more careful, not wanting to see a single blunder repeat. They briefed the pig repeatedly and reminded him of the importance of carrying out this task successfully. The pig left the hall with the special power properly packed. Along the way, he grew increasingly curious about the carefully packed special power. So he unpacked the power and put it on his nose, and lo, he could now dig the earth with his nose with ease. But realized soon after that he could not lift the power from his nose. It was all over then. The pig returned to the council and confessed what had happened. The council was very upset with what had happened despite the repeated briefings and felt that the pig deserved even harsher punishment. The council decided that the pig shall be reared by the humans to be slaughtered for meat. Today we wash our face at least once in a day, and we take 3 meals a day. Had it not been for the ox, we would be relaxing with 1 meal a day, thereby reducing our effort to work for another two-thirds. We would be working for only 10 days in a month and lazing off for 20 days. Poor oxen cannot be blamed anymore because they are working tirelessly for us. Pigs and bull can easily foreground with their nose, but are slaughtered for meat. All happened because of miscommunication by one ox. Therefore, effective communication is vital in every sphere of life. Our carelessness had impact on the well-being of others, but in the end, we always have to pay for the mistakes we make.
If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.